Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how to use Garmin Pay on your Garmin Venu 4.
1. Set up Garmin Pay. Step 1. Press the side button. Wallet, add card. Step 2. Follow on-screen instructions to create a 4-digit PIN for your wallet. Step 3. Enter your credit or debit card details. Step 4. Your bank may require verification via app, SMS, or email. Step 2. Make a payment. Step 1. Press and hold the side button. Wallet. Step 2. Enter your PIN. Step 3. Select the card you want to use. Step 4. Hold your watch near the contactless payment terminal until the payment is confirmed. Step 3. Manage cards, add or remove cards via the watch wallet or Garmin Connect app. Garmin Pay. Keep your PIN secure and never share it.